Just getting to the terminal. We are cleared from our testing. Say hi.
Hi.
Bye-bye.
We're going to sleep in one of those yellow things, right?
We're going to sleep in one of the rooms, yeah. Hello, hello ship. The yellow things are actually the lifeboats. That's what you take if there's an emergency and we got to leave the boat. You get on one of those boats. Yeah, I saw this now.
You said we're going to sleep in there.
Well, not in the yellow boat. We're going to sleep in the rooms. You see those little... The circles are the rooms. This is everybody waiting to find out their COVID test results. I think they were just trying to cover their bases. They told us an hour and a half when we first got here. Originally, they told us it was only going to be an hour. But when we got here, they said an hour and a half. It took about 30 minutes for us to get our testing results. So we're all cleared and about to get on the ship. There's Abuela, Abuelo.
We're negative, right?
What happened?
We're negative.
We're negative. That's why they wouldn't have let us on the ship if we weren't positive. All clear to sail. Oh. 6060 and theirs is 6060. Oh, okay. Well, then never mind. 6060.
Christina, hi.
Yes, hello.
Isabella? And Matthew's behind you.
Yep.
And Nicholas.
Yay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Saturday.
Let's go, guys. Bon voyage. Nice and air conditioned in here. Very nice little walkway. The gangplank, what's it called? Gangplay? Gangwalk? Gangplank, that's what it's called. Thank you. Thank you.
It's my birthday. We're going to go to the left to see my friend Albert.
Go ahead, guys.
Go ahead. And welcome aboard, everyone.
Thank you. First look at a Disney cruise.
Yeah, I know, right?
Woo!
What is the family name? Welcome aboard.
Thank you. Alright. Is it pretty? I like the detail. I like the detail.
Mickey Mouse go right there. Please, everyone, come on.
Sure.
You're going to get a very special welcome over very shortly, okay?
Thank you.
Disney Magic, please welcome aboard the Kraft family.
Nicholas, come here. Nicholas, come here. Look, Mickey Mouse. Who's that? Who's that? That's Mickey Mouse. You want to get on my shoulder? Okay. Hang on, hold one second. Get him up there.
Hi, Mickey.
Hi everyone, I'm Hargrave and I'm here with Captain Mickey. And welcome to the start of your Disney vacation! Mickey insisted on being one of the first ones here to welcome you aboard the beautiful Disney Magic. We've missed you. We can't begin to tell you how amazing it feels to have our stunning engine filled with families again. Families who are about to embark upon the adventure of a lifetime. Now, our onboard family have been working tirelessly through all the details so that you and your family can sit back and just enjoy the magic of Disney. So without further ado, Captain Mickey, let's take it away. Just begun. We'd like to invite you to safely exit the atrium on your right-hand side. One of our welcome crew will point you on to the next part of your adventure. But otherwise, for myself, Harlequin, Captain Mickey, and the rest of the crew, we hope you have a magical vacation with us here on board the beautiful Disney Magic. And we'll see you around the ship. See you soon, everybody. Bye!
Bye, Mickey. It's my birthday. Thank you. Appreciate it. I wanted to celebrate it with you. Nice. Say bye, Mickey. She's like, I have to look at all of it. Just this way. Mr. Ryan, spicy shit. You want to add a booking? We have to do it right over there.
Yeah, you just need to say to check in first.
Okay.
And then after that, come back.
Okay. Oh, you like their accents? After hours. I guess that's the adult bar. Have we all taken a moment to appreciate the outdoor deck? This is absolutely gorgeous. Yeah? What happened? Shuffleboard for all of our fantasies. This is really pretty. Oh, I'm sorry. This is really pretty. So we are by Assembly L, if we have an issue. My dad's already connecting.
Yeah. We're gonna be hearing it all day long.
Hello. St. Lucia, I went there.